Have you ever used Sun-In hair lightener or Sun-Bum hair lightener? It's something that you can pick up at the grocery store or your drugstore, put it in your hair, and then go sit out in the sun, and it's supposed to lighten your hair. Want to know what happened to these hair strands? I'm about to tell you, so stay with me. My name is Lita. I own Tone Hair Salon in Raleigh, North Carolina. And if you saw my TikTok, I made 3 videos today, but because I can only keep it under a minute, I really couldn't go into depth. So here we are. I have 5 different test strands. All of them different colors. Some have been bleached, some of them are virgin. So I wanted to put the sun spray lightener into all of them. And I did this 3 to 4 times. I would put the sun spray in, blow dry it, shampoo it, sun spray, blow dry it, shampoo, da-da-da-da-da. So I did that. And by the way, my blow dryer right there, everybody always comments on my blow dryer. That is the Dyson Professional blow dryer. I love it. And I put the sparkle decal. I got it from Amazon. I'm going to put the link below so that you guys can shop for it if you like. So anyways, I took them outside. I blow dried them. I flat ironed them. I mean, I did everything. Now, in all of them, they did lighten except the dark brown. Okay. But the purpose of this is I wanted to see what would happen when I put bleach on top. So without the bleach, I'll tell you, the hair was super dry, super tangly just from all the sun in. So I put bleach in 20 volume because if you go into a hair salon and you don't tell the hairstylist that you've done sun in, now for me, when I have a client come in, I can usually tell. But for maybe somebody that has dark hair, the sun-in really didn't really work, then the hairstylist may not know. And that's where the problem happens. See what this is, gummy, stretchy hair. And this was only bleach in 20 volume, which is kind of the standard of what most people use for their highlights. And this sat in the hair for just under an hour. So imagine going into a salon, getting a full highlight, which takes sometimes over an hour for a hairstylist to do. And then typically the client sits for another 30 minutes to process. If that were to happen, this hair would have been beyond destroyed. So just always, always, always tell your hairstylist if you used Sun-In, which is hydrogen peroxide and water, basically. It can really, really damage your hair if you put bleach on top of this. So this is also if you're doing your hair at home and you've used the Sun-In all summer and now it's fall and your hair is getting darker and you decide, okay, well, Sun-In's not enough, let me bleach my hair. This potentially can happen to you. And I've seen it happen a lot in the salon. This is why we always do test strands. And I wanted to make this video for you guys so you can see the results. And the brown didn't take as bad, but everything else, all the other colors, definitely melted the hair. I hope you guys learned something. If you have any questions, comment below. I'd be more than happy to answer you. Love y'all. Bye.